About install the machine, pay attention. This A match this A, and here has 6 screws. You need to tighten it. The same as the B. Here 3 screws and here 3 screws. After you turn on the machine, press the parameter screen. The password is 0. Then we adjust the A axis. And press the Z axis, make it down. Pay attention, the tube needs to in the middle of the clamp. The tube in the middle of the clamp. And in this side, the tube is aligned with the edge of the diffuser. The B side also need to check if the point is right to make sure the table is installed balanced. After you confirm all the points are in the right ways, press the green button, it can start. And the parameters in the screen, no need to change.